Manufacturing Skills Standards Council, 25 years upskilling America's workforce. In 1998, the Federal National Skills Standards Board endorsed the Manufacturing Skills Standards Council as the voluntary partnership of industry, labor, and education, responsible for defining the industry-wide skills standards for frontline production workers. Industry provided thousands of workers to develop those standards, the substantive foundation for the MSSC's signature Certified Production Technician (CPT) certification. Now commemorating 25 years of upskilling America's workforce, MSSC has grown far beyond initial expectations into a national institution of over 2,000 authorized assessment centers, 3,300 plus authorized instructors, teaching 7 different national certification programs with 2 in manufacturing and 5 in supply chain logistics, helping to close the skills gap and enabling a path to secure in-demand, lucrative careers. With an unprecedented shift of companies reshoring and opening new plants in America, we are at the forefront of a new manufacturing renaissance. At the same time, industry is going through a digital transformation with accelerated investments in Industry 4.0 digital technologies. As industry further increases its embrace of these emerging trends, MSSC is leading the way to ensure that training and certification of frontline technicians in manufacturing and supply chain logistics incorporates a central understanding of a wide range of transformational Industry 4.0 digital technologies so that the workforce of today and tomorrow is properly primed for the challenges that lay ahead. Are you ready to take the next step with your training program? Go to msscusa.org to learn more.